You make a wish, I want to see how a leaf helps the world. In an instant, you shrink until you are microscopic, small enough to explore a single leaf. A gentle breeze carries you to the underside, where you see stomata, tiny openings that act like doors. Carbon dioxide slips in through them, while oxygen and water vapor escape. The guard cells curve around the stomata like protective gates, opening when water is plentiful and closing during heat to save every drop, though closing stops new carbon dioxide from entering. Suddenly, the leaf turns into a thrilling roller coaster. You zoom through the xylem, a watery highway rushing water from the roots to the palisade cells above. Here, the chloroplasts packed inside the cells glow green, capturing sunlight. You watch in awe as sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide combine to make glucose, the plant's food, and oxygen, which drifts out into the air for the world to breathe. The ride twists and turns into the spongy layer, where air spaces guide carbon dioxide to every palisade cell, and some glucose is stored safely for later. Then you shoot through the phloem, a twisting tunnel carrying glucose to feed the whole plant. When your ride ends, you float back into the sunlight, amazed. This tiny leaf, quietly working every day, is a hero, producing food, storing energy, and giving the world the oxygen we all need. One leaf, one roller coaster ride, one breath at a time, saving the world.